Okay, good morning. So at this time, we will tackle about sampling distribution of the sample mean. This is actually from Mathematics 11, okay, or the senior high math, statistics and probability. So we are now in sampling distribution of the sample mean. So we have here one example. Okay, we have considered all possible samples of size 2 that can be drawn with replacement. Meaning pwede magbalik with replacement from the population containing 3, 4, 8, and 9. Okay? Then we have here compute the following. The first one, means of the sampling distribution of the means. Letter B, variance of the sampling distribution of the means that we have here, the last one, or letter C, sampling or the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of the means. Okay? So, of course, before we can compute all of this, letter A, letter B, and letter C, we still have to identify the sample. Okay? That can be obtained from this given population considering that the sample size must be 2 only. Okay? So, first we have 3, 4, 8, 9. Because replacement is allowed, or replacement with replacement, so we can have first is 3 and 3. Next, we can have 3 and 4. Next, we can also have the reverse for this one is 4 and 3. Next, we can also have 3 and 8. Then the reverse of 3 and 8 is 8 and 3. Next, we also have 3 and 9. Then it's reverse 9 and 3. Next, we can now proceed to 4. We can have 4 and 4. Okay. Then we also have here 4 and 8. Then the reverse 8 and 4. Next we have 4 and 9. Then we also have 9 and 4. Okay. Next to 4 we have also here 8. Now we can have 8 and 8. Then we also have 8 and 9. Then the reverse is 9 and 8. Then the last one is 9 and 9. Okay? Next to that is the mean of this sample or the given sample. So how do we compute the mean? All we have to do is we have to add the numbers in here, the two numbers, and divide it by 2. So we have 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 over 2 is equal to 3. So we have here 3. 3 plus 4 over 2 is, we have 3.5. This one still 3.5. 11 is 5.5. 11 is 5.5. Next is 12. Divide 2 is 6. This one is also 6. This one is 4. And we have 8. 4 answer. 4 and 8 is 12 is 6. Another one we have here 6. Then we have here 13 is 6.5. Okay? 13 divided by 6.5. Then we have here 9 plus 4, 13. Still the same. 6.5. Then 8 plus 8, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then we have 8 plus 9, 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. Another 8.5 in here. Then this one is we have here 9. Okay? Next that we are going to do is we will have to execute this one. To find x bar minus the population mean. X bar is referring to this one, the mean of the sample, each individual sample in here. So all we have to do for the mean, we can actually compute from the population using the formula summation of xi, where I start from 1 to ilang sample niya. No? There are only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 1 to 4 over n. Okay, so all we have to do is we will have to add that one. Okay, so we will have to add 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 over 4. We have 9 plus 8, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 4, 24 over 4. The answer we have here 6. Okay? So all we have to do is we have to subtract this one. Okay? We have to subtract 6 from each of this one. Okay? Made of the sample. So we have 3 minus 6 is negative 3. 3.5 minus 6 is negative 2.5. This one stays the same, negative 2.5. This one is negative 0.5. Next to this one is we have negative 0.5. This one we have 6 is 0, 0, negative 2. Next is 0, another 0 in here. Then we have 0.5. Okay. 6.5 minus 6 is 0.5. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8.5 minus 6 is 2.5. This one is still the same 2.5. And the last one is we have here 9 minus 6 is 3. Then we have to square. Okay, we have negative 3 to the power of 2. Just square this one, or negative 3 to the power of 2. The answer is 9. So we have here 9. Negative 2.5 to the power of 2 is 6.25. This one the same, 6.25. 0.25. 0.25. We have 0, 0, 4. Next is 0, 0, 0.25. 0.25. This one is 4. 6.25. 6.25. Another one is we have here last is 9. Okay? Actually, the mean of the population mean would be the same as we compute the entire average of this mean from the sample. No? Plus na tanan, divide by 16, the same result, which is positive 6. The same answer. Okay? So, kung ito kita sa first, letter A, means of the sampling distribution of the means. Okay? So, all we have to do is we will have to add this one. Remember that we have the population mean is just equal to the population, the mean of the sample. So, therefore, that is just equivalent to 6. In here, for letter B, because this one is for letter A. Okay, we have the answer as 6. For in here, the standard variance, sigma squared is equal to summation of x bar minus population mean squared. So meaning we have to add up all of this. So the result would be, if you're going to add this one, all these quantities, the result would be 40. The result would be 43. So our answer for the variance is we have here 43. So the answer here is equivalent to 43. Next, remember that the standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. Okay? Square root of the variance. Therefore, our standard deviation is equivalent to square root of 43, which is equivalent to what? We have here 6.56 approximately, equivalent to 6.56. So if you're going to figure out now, before you can compute the means of the sampling distribution, the variance and the standard deviation, we still have to find out all of these things now, or fill in the table, no, for the sample, the mean, and for the difference between the sample, the mean from the sample, and the sample, the mean from the population. Then the last column will be squared. No? If we're going to sum up, the result would be the variance. Okay? Then the square root of the variance, of course, is the standard deviation.